At this point, it's important to consider how important services are today, but more importantly, how services will evolve tomorrow. In the past, when people talked about products, and I think even today, there is a misconception that products focuses on physical goods. But remember, products are made up of goods and services. And in terms of the importance of services, well, let's look at the Australian economy. We are a service-based economy, and the world at large is moving away from manufacturing and towards services, especially in the more developed countries. And finally, from a past, present, and future perspective, in the past, service was seen as something you do. At present, service is seen as something that customers expect. And with so much competition out there, if we don't do a good job of it, somebody else will. However, from a future perspective, especially with the world becoming more blended with the online and the offline world, consider how will service evolve in the future, and what is the definition of service going forward? In today's world, we define it as the action of helping or doing work for someone. Given technological advances, we can imagine that in the future, everything could be offered as a service. Why buy a car when you can rent a car? Why buy clothes when you can rent clothes potentially? By the way, these services do currently exist, but thinking at a deeper level, what could service look like in the future? What would it mean in the future? What would our clients' expectations be in the future? And how can we better integrate the technology we have today with the needs of our customers tomorrow? These are all big questions that I hope some of you will answer one day. But in the meantime, look out for good service and be sure to acknowledge it, as in say thank you when you do receive it.